Until the late 1800s, chocolate was dry, gritty, and practically unchewable. So how did a Swiss inventor's decision to leave his factory machines running over a long weekend completely change the way the world eats chocolate? Imagine unwrapping a piece of chocolate today. It is silky, smooth, and melts the moment it touches your tongue. But if you lived in the 19th century, eating chocolate was a completely different experience. Back then, it was a hard, bitter, and gritty paste. You had to chew it hard, and it left a sour, unpleasant aftertaste. This was the problem Rodolphe Lindt set out to solve in 1879 in his Bern workshop. He wanted chocolate that was soft and pleasant to eat. He experimented for months, but nothing seemed to work. Then, according to company law, a lucky accident changed everything. Lindt supposedly left his heavy factory machines running continuously over a long weekend. Instead of finding a ruined mess on Monday morning, he found a shiny, velvety paste that melted like butter. While this weekend story is a famous tradition, the real breakthrough came from Lindt's relentless testing of a machine called a conche. But why was it called a conche? The name came from the shape of the granite basin, which looked just like a curved conch shell. Inside this shell-shaped basin, heavy granite rollers pushed the chocolate paste back and forth for hours. This constant motion created friction and heat. The action let bitter acids and moisture escape into the air. This mechanical process completely transformed the texture of the chocolate. Most people today know the brand name Lindt and Sprüngli, but they do not know the family split behind it. In 1892, the Sprüngli family split their business. One brother kept the Zurich cafes, which are still a separate independent company today. The other brother took the chocolate factory and eventually bought Lindt's brand and secret conching formula for 15 million gold francs. That single recipe and mechanical process paved the way for creations like the iconic Lindor truffle and the gold foil-wrapped Easter bunny. But more than that, Lindt's heavy granite rollers set a new standard. Today, almost every chocolate manufacturer in the world uses the conching method to make their chocolate smooth. Next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate that melts on your tongue, will you think about the heavy granite rollers that made it possible?